The next is examination. So written there as a 48 months. So what is the meaning of that? It is a timeline, that is a how much time there in your hand or in the hand of applicant to file the request for examination. The request for examination can be filed within 48 months. After that timeline is lapsed, your patent will come into the public domain. So that 40 months timeline is very important. You have to file the examination request before 48 months. Remember that if request for examination is not filed, patent will not be examined. Okay. Now, this request for examination, it can be filed at the time of complete specification file only. So, to avoid any what we can say, due to some reasons, you may forget to file the examination, to file the request for a examination. To avoid that scenario, what exactly you can do, that when you are filing the complete specification, you just file at that time only the request for examination.